A quality solar charge controller protects batteries from overcharging, improves energy efficiency, extends battery lifespan, and ensures reliable solar system performance. My today's video is about top 5 best solar charge controller that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Morningstar ProStar 40, a MPPT solar charge controller. The Morningstar ProStar MPPT 40, a solar charge controller, is an outstanding choice for off-grid solar systems that demand efficiency, reliability, and advanced monitoring capabilities. With up to 98% MPPT efficiency, it maximizes solar energy harvesting while minimizing power loss, helping batteries charge faster and last longer. The controller's networking and communication features are particularly impressive, offering data logging, Modbus support, Ethernet connectivity, and remote alerts through email or text when paired with compatible accessories. Its field-adjustable lighting control adds flexibility for solar-powered lighting applications, allowing users to optimize energy usage based on available sunlight. Safety is another major strength, with comprehensive protection against surges, overloads, short circuits, reverse polarity, overheating, and high voltage conditions. Advanced self-diagnostics and automatic recovery further enhance system dependability. Backed by Morningstar's decades-long reputation for producing highly reliable solar equipment, the ProStar MPPT 40A delivers professional-grade performance, making it an excellent investment for serious solar energy users. Now our second product is Renewable 10 amp 12V/24V PWM solar charge controller. The Renewable Wanderer 10A solar charge controller is an excellent choice for RV owners, boaters, and off-grid enthusiasts seeking dependable battery management. Its intelligent 4-stage PWM charging system efficiently handles AGM, gel, flooded, and lithium batteries, helping maximize charging performance while extending battery lifespan. The controller's advanced load management options provide flexible control for lighting, pumps, and other DC appliances, making it highly adaptable for various solar applications. Safety is a standout feature, with comprehensive protection against overcharging, overdischarging, overloads, short circuits, reverse polarity, and temperature-related issues. The negative ground design further enhances system reliability, particularly in mobile and marine installations. Its ultra-low self-consumption minimizes battery drain, ensuring more solar energy is available for actual use. The backlit LCD display offers clear real-time system information, while optional Bluetooth connectivity enables convenient remote monitoring through the Renewable app. Compact, durable, and easy to install, the Wanderer 10A delivers impressive value for small-scale solar power systems. Our third product is Dynas 40 A12V/24V Auto MPPT Solar Charge Controller. This 40A MPPT solar charge controller is a powerful and efficient solution for maximizing solar energy production in RV, marine, and off-grid systems. Its advanced maximum power point tracking MPPT technology continuously optimizes power output from solar panels, ensuring faster and more efficient battery charging compared to traditional controllers. The automatic 12V/24V system detection adds convenience and simplifies installation. One of its strongest advantages is broad battery compatibility, supporting LiFePO4, AGM, gel, flooded, and sealed lead-acid batteries with charging profiles tailored to each chemistry. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of solar setups. The integrated LCD display provides clear, real-time system information, while app connectivity allows remote monitoring and adjustment, enhancing user control and convenience. Safety is also well addressed with comprehensive protections against overcharging, overdischarging, overloads, and short circuits. Combining smart technology, reliable performance, and versatile compatibility, this controller is an excellent investment for anyone seeking dependable solar power management. Now number 4, SOMIC 30 MPPT Solar Charger Controller. This 30 MPPT solar charge controller offers impressive performance for users seeking efficient and reliable solar battery charging. Its industrial-grade control chip and advanced MPPT algorithm achieve tracking efficiency up to 99.9%, allowing the controller to continuously optimize power extraction from solar panels. Compared to traditional controllers, it can significantly improve charging efficiency, helping maximize available solar energy while generating minimal heat. The controller automatically detects 12V and 24V systems, simplifying setup for most off-grid applications. Its intuitive LCD display provides real-time monitoring of charging status, current, power generation, temperature, and load settings, making system management straightforward. The inclusion of power-off memory and adjustable parameters further enhances usability. Safety is a major strength, with 8 layers of protection covering overcharge, overload, short circuit, reverse polarity, overvoltage, and more. Multiple load modes. And our last choice is Morningstar TriStar 30 MPPT Solar Charge Controller. The Morningstar TriStar MPPT 30A Solar Charge Controller is a premium solution designed for demanding off-grid and professional solar installations. Its advanced MPPT technology maximizes energy harvest from solar arrays, making it particularly effective for larger systems with multiple panels or higher voltage configurations. With an impressive peak efficiency of up to 99%, it minimizes power losses and delivers faster, more effective battery charging. One of its standout features is the extensive networking and communication capability. Through Modbus support, MS View software, Ethernet connectivity, and remote monitoring options, users can easily track system performance, access data logs, and receive alerts. The included remote temperature sensor further enhances charging accuracy by adjusting performance based on actual battery temperature. Reliability is a key strength, thanks to its fanless passive cooling design, high-quality components, and comprehensive electronic protections against surges, overloads, reverse polarity, and overheating. Backed by Morningstar's long-standing reputation for durability, the TriStar MPPT 30A is an exceptional choice for mission-critical solar applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.